Alright, hello, this is going to be Solidworks CSWA practice problem 8.14. If you want to follow along with the video, make sure to follow the link in the description, which will take you to the official Solidworks practice problem database. So let's get started. First of all, we'll start our units to MMGS in the bottom right corner. Then we'll start sketching the front plane. We're going to start with a conical base revolve. So let's set our axis of revolution. The base of this cone has a diameter of 17, so I'm going to draw a straight line like this. Go up like this, and then go across. And yeah, the base is 17, so from distance from, I'm going to click on this point, I'm going to hold the center line, and I'm going to drag across. And this diameter is going to be 17. And the top diameter is going to be 10, so we're going to do the same thing. Click on the point, hold, and up is 10. Oh, I think I misspoke. When I said 17, I meant 10. The top diameter is 10. And then the total height of the cone is going to be 35, a lot taller. Oh, actually, no. No. This 10 is not for the top. In the front view, I mistook the 10 for the cone, but it's actually for the kind of the curved extrusion at the top. The way to fully define this is by angling this diagonal with respect to the vertical center line, which will be 6 degrees. And then there you have it fully defined. And then we're going to close this out. And now let's revolve this. And now let's start our sweep. So I'm going to go to sketch, go to the front plane. Then I'm just going to draw 2 lines, one going up like this, and then a diagonal pointing down. And then let's add a fillet here. That's going to be of radius 7. Select OK. Well, actually, before we add the fillet, let's dimension the lines. So the vertical line will be 17. The diagonal line along the diagonal, like so, will be 20. And the angle between the lines is going to be 70 degrees. And then we'll add that R7 fillet. And then, yes, I believe we're going to use a square as our profile for the sweep. And I guess I'm just going to exit sketch. And we're going to create a new sketch. Actually, I'm just going to create the sketch on the top face of this cone, because that's where the path begins, which will allow us to pierce this rectangle. I can actually just center it around the origin like so. And it's a 10 by 10 square. So I'm just going to make both sides equal. And then dimension one side is being 10. Like so. Then we can go to features, sweep. It already automatically selects the square as the profile. And then all we need is a path, so click on the path. There you go. Select OK. And now you just need to add your R1 fillets. So let's go to fillet. Make sure it's R1. And to select the side edges. Bottom and top side edges. And then do that for the other side as well. Like so. And that should be a completed part. Let's check the answer. For your answer, you should have 8,000 and, well, you round the 0.5, so 8,021 cubic millimeters for your volume. So I hope you learned something from this video, and I'll see you in the next one.